Stop scrolling. Seriously, just stop for 60 seconds. Because right now, something is happening that most people don't know about. While you're scrolling through Facebook, while you're watching Netflix, while you're sleeping, there are regular people, just like you, waking up to money they did nothing to earn. Money that arrived automatically. Money from Amazon. And here's what's going to make you angry. They're not smarter than you. They're not better writers. They don't have more money. They just figured out one simple thing that you haven't yet. Let me guess your story. You've heard about Amazon KDP. Maybe you bought a course. Maybe you watched YouTube videos. They made it sound so easy. Just write a book and watch the money roll in. So you tried. You sat down at your computer, excited, ready to change your life. And then, nothing. Blank screen, cursor blinking. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. Maybe you tried hiring help. Ghostwriter, $1,500. Cover designer, $300. Formatter, $100. That's $2,000 before you made a single sale. And after all that work, your first royalty payment arrived. $12.47. You started wondering, maybe I'm just not cut out for this. Maybe I should give up. I know that feeling. I've been there. But here's the truth they don't tell you. The problem isn't you. The problem is that the entire system is broken. The old way of publishing was designed for a world that no longer exists. Write for months. Edit for weeks. Design, format, upload, pray. 100 plus hours to create one book that might make money. That's not a business. That's a gamble. Here's what the top earners figured out. They're not publishing one book a year. They're publishing 10, 20, even 50 books a year. Because every book is a new income stream: Kindle, paperback, and audiobook royalties. One book, 3 income streams. The secret isn't writing better books. The secret is publishing more books. But how do you publish more when writing just... That question haunted me for years, until I discovered something that changed everything. You've heard about AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, all that. But most people don't know about something called agentic AI. Not AI that helps you, not AI that assists you, AI that actually executes entire workflows without you. Old tools, you give prompts, they give responses, you still do all the work. Agentic AI, you press one button and it executes everything. Google's CEO called this the most significant leap in artificial intelligence history. Microsoft invested $13 billion to develop it. And for the first time ever, this technology has been built into something that can make you money. Completely automatically. Introducing KDP ROBOTS, the world's first fully autonomous AI agent built specifically for Amazon KDP authors. This isn't another writing tool. This isn't ChatGPT with a fancy wrapper. This is a true agent that runs your entire publishing business for you. Does this actually make money? Fair question. Sarah from Texas. Never written a book in her life. Published 8 books in her first week. 3 are already ranking on page 1. Mike, complete beginner. Made $1,847 in his first 30 days. His words: I don't know how to write. I don't know how to design. I just press the button. David runs a publishing agency. Used to pay writers, designers, and narrators. Now it's just him and KDP ROBOTS. He's saved over $40,000 in 3 months. I tried KDP last year and gave up. With KDP ROBOTS, I published 12 books in 7 days, and I'm now making $1,300 a month. Tom R., Chicago. ILL. This isn't theory. This is happening right now. Here's why this works for complete beginners. It's 3 steps. Step 1. Press the button. Type any topic, any niche, any genre. Press create. That's it. Step 2. AI executes everything research. Writing, cover design, audiobook, formatting, video trailer. All automatic. You do nothing. Step 3. Publish and profit export your files or use one-click publishing. Upload to Amazon. Start collecting royalties. 3 steps. 0 writing. 0 technical skills. If you can click a button, you can publish books with KDP ROBOTS. Let's talk about what something like this should cost. The old way, per book. Ghostwriter, $1,500. Cover designer, $300. Formatter, $100. Audiobook, narrator, $500. Video trailer, $300. Marketing copywriter, $300. That's over $3,000 per book. Publish 5 books, $15,000 in 2+ years of work. With KDP ROBOTS, you get everything. Research suite, book creation, cover designer, audiobook studio, video trailer generator, marketing hub, and publishing center. All in one platform, all automated, all unlimited. And right now, during this special launch, you get lifetime access for just $17. One payment, no monthly fees, no subscriptions, no hidden costs. Less than dinner for 2, less than 1 hour of a ghostwriter's time. To make this a complete no-brainer, we're including 5 bonuses. Free. Bonus number 1. The bestseller blueprint, $197 value. Done-for-you templates for every genre. Fiction, non-fiction, self-help, cookbooks, children's books. Bonus number 2, audiobook voice bundle, $297 value. 10 premium AI voices. Studio quality. Royalty-free. Bonus number 3, marketing campaign vault, $147 value. 30-day launch campaigns. Pre-written. Emails, social media posts, and ad copy. Bonus number 4, 1-hour strategy session, $397 value. Private consultation with our publishing experts to identify your winning niches. Bonus number 5, lifetime updates, $497 value. Every future update and new feature, forever. Never pay another dime. Over $1,500 in bonuses, included free. Yours to keep even if you request a refund. What if this doesn't work for you? You're fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If KD ProBots doesn't help you publish faster, save money, and build passive income, and for any reason, just email us within 30 days. We'll refund every single penny. There's no hassle, no hoops, a full month to test it risk-free. Create books, publish them, see the results. If it's not everything we promised, you pay nothing. You literally cannot lose. So why am I practically giving this away for $17? Simple. We're launching. We need beta testers, case studies, and success stories. When we hit 1,000 active users, this price disappears forever. Then KD ProBots becomes $197 per month. Right now, there are only 347 spots left at this one-time price. Once they're gone, they're gone. Every day you wait, someone else is publishing your book ideas and ranking in your niches. The math is simple. 100 books at $100 per month, each equals $10,000 per month in passive income. Every month you delay costs you thousands. So here's where you stand. You have 2 choices. Choice 1, keep doing what you've been doing. Struggling? Staring at blank screens? Paying freelancers? Getting nowhere. Watching others succeed while you stay stuck. Choice 2, get instant access to KD ProBots. Publish your first book in 25 minutes. Build real passive income. Wake up tomorrow to royalty notifications. Tell your boss you're done. Experience the freedom, the security, and the peace of mind you've been working toward. That future is 1 click away. 347 spots left. 30-day guarantee. Lifetime access. Just $17. Click the button below right now. Start your publishing empire today. And wake up to royalties tomorrow morning. This is your moment. Don't let it pass you by. See you on the inside.